welcome to another review by Emily Illustrator. Today we are going to be reviewing the Arteza 2022 12-month yearly planner. It's hard to believe we're already in 2022. And also the Arteza Black Japanese Ink liquid microline pens. So let's go ahead and take a look actually at the planner first, and then we'll use the pens in said planner. So obviously it's got this nice cover here. It's spiral bound, which is super nice. It's 9 by 7 inch, 170 pages, 80-pound level paper. But here it also says 222 stickers, 1 storage pouch, 1 plastic ruler. It's also laminated. Dashboard panel. There's so much to it. So let's go ahead and start with, let's take this off on the back here. Okay, oh, that's real nice. The label on the back here. Okay, let's flip it over. 2022 here. So let's go ahead and open it up. All right, so here is our ruler. It looks like it is attached to the spiral, so you can take it out. Let's go ahead and take that out. There we go. All right, so that's super handy for all the different labeling and whatnot. Now it looks like we got January, obviously all the months here. This one goes all the way to December. I know sometimes planners will go like mid-year depending on when you get it. So we'll look at what the months provide each, but let's look past it real quick and see what else is in here. So we've got this one sheet. Here's what I meant by the laminate. So it's got the little laminate pouch here too. Now it said stickers. Let's see if we can find where the stickers are at. Oh, here they are. Here they are. Okay. Oh, that's just right after the first page. Okay. Oh, look at all of these. Look at all these. Okay, so you've got all your little arrows. Yes, no's, male. This is so cool. So let's see. We've got numbers, labels, importance, to do. Wow, there's so many in here. Okay, oh, and look at that. If found, please contact. All right, then we've got all of the holidays listed over here. And then we've got the full calendar, January through December. Oh, how cool. Okay, all right. So this page, we've got a bucket list, to do, to try, to learn, to see, to make, to read. I love all of that. Yearly checklist. So I suppose if you had your, like for instance, I want to complete a diamond painting this year, I'll probably go there. Travel plans. Some of us have travel plans this year. I don't know. We'll see what the year pans out like. Financial plan. That's really good if you're planning on saving or paying something off. So that's super handy. We got a notes page, and then on to January. So each month will probably be about the same. So what we have is this month, your goals, birthdays, milestones and events, notes. And you've got your days here, Martin Luther King Jr. Day. Then we've got New Year's Day. It's interesting too, because I looked at it at first. I'm like, I thought this fell on a Monday, but I wasn't looking here. And that's because only Monday through Friday is on this side. Then you have your Saturdays and Sundays. I will say, I'm not sure how I feel about that. Like instinctively, I wanted Sunday over here, you know, just Sunday through Saturday. But, you know, I suppose if it loops around. Then you have your to-do list and your reminders. And there's different patterns and prints available on the website also. Then we've got individual days. So this is spillover from December into January. Notes on each one of these. So there's plenty of room to write. Very nice. And then notes on the back page. And I think every month is going to be about the same. Yeah, so birthdays, milestones. Very cool. All right, let's skip to the end here. Just double check. The paper feels real nice. And then little things like little notes, so you can keep the stickers in here, or pens, or, you know, if you're saving receipts for the month, or whatever else, little things you need to keep, then you can just pop right in here. And my only thing is I think for these stickers, because they have a little bit of a glossy feel, if you were going to write on them at all, I got these pens that we're going to test out and try, but I think you would need to use permanent markers probably to get, I don't know, I haven't opened these up yet, so we'll have to test, but I get the sense, especially if it's a water-based marker, it's not going to dry on here as quickly. So I would recommend probably something like an alcohol-based marker or a permanent marker, but we'll test it out just in case I'm wrong. I could be wrong, but we'll get to pens here in a second. But yeah, for the marker, for the stickers, if you're going to write on the stickers, I think I'd probably use an alcohol-based marker. So let's go ahead and open these up and test them out. So these are going to be really good for illustration. I got these because I thought they would look really nice in the book as well. But they are Arteza black ink, Japanese ink, fade resistant, water resistant, non-toxic, always good. But it comes with 5 liquid microline pens. So let's go ahead and open this up. Ooh, okay, first impression, those look really nice. All right, so we've got our different sizes on top here. So we have 005, 01, 03, 05, and 08. So that's really nice. So we've got the Arteza label here as well as the size on the side. Nice metal clip. Came with this little paper to hold it all together. All right, so this is the 005. That's really nice and fine. I like that a lot. All right, let's test it out on one of these stickers. I'm pretty sure that it won't stay on them, just especially if it's water-based, not alcohol-based, but we'll test it just to be sure. So I'm gonna grab the 03 pen. Pops on the back there nicely. We're just going to test on here. Ideally, you'd probably just use these to pinpoint things, but just since it's right here, we're just going to test it out and see how it writes on the stickers. Okay, so just like I thought, these don't work on the stickers, but they'll work really nicely within the pages themselves. So for writing on the stickers, I would recommend a alcohol-based permanent marker for sure. Because if I go here, that's not what we want. So I didn't realize the stickers were as glossy as they were. All right, so this is for January. We're in January, so let's do goals. Let's just start here. And let's do... That writes really nicely. There was no skipping in this pen whatsoever. Oh, that was smooth. That was really nice. I like that a lot. Yeah, that's really nice. Then if you have any birthdays or milestones or events, then you could add in things like put in your meetings and appointments, to-do list, you know, whatever you need to add to your to-do list. These could be a real good spot to just put kind of some daily thoughts or maybe some positive affirmations. Yeah, all in all, I really like this. I think it's got a lot of great spots to fill in and kind of inspire you and get you excited for the new year. I know we've all got a lot ahead of us this year. We're all hoping for a better year than we have the last couple years, so fingers crossed. But, you know, great way to plan out your year, figure out what you want to do. These ones are just black pens, but imagine how much fun you could have with multiple color pens. Like I said, you got all the stickers, you got the ruler to plan it out. So if you're looking for a new yearly planner, then go ahead and check this one out. Like I said, they've got different covers and different prints and everything for you, so you can choose the one that you like. If you're needing a little jump start to your year of 2022, then I highly recommend checking out the new planners over on Arteza. If you like what you saw here today, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.